Good morning, all of you. Today, we are going to discuss how to make frequency distribution if we have given some data or we have given raw data, then how we make it is frequency distribution or group data. In the last lecture, I explained you through the PPT, and now I just again explaining that problem by the example. So, for example, if we have some data and we need to arrange in frequency distribution. So, what type
أنا
of
بسجلها وتقدر ترجع حق المحاضرة.
see here five main questions are there. The first of all, what class interval would you suggest? How many class intervals we have to decide the first one. Second, first one, how many classes we need? Second, what class interval we need? The third, what will be the lower limit for the first class interval? The fourth one, to arrange in frequency distribution, and the last one to find the relative frequency distribution for all class. So in that process, we just read this question. However, this question I already provided
Mister,
model, so you can read the same question if you hear some difficulty. So this is the question. First of all, we have to solve the first part of this question. How many classes?
please.
So let's say show you. So just read this question. This is question. Here, first of all, we have to check how many data here. There is 20 data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 20 data. So first we have to decide how many classes we need. So it is depend on the number of data. I explained. You have to count like this. You have to count like this. 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1. Here this is the value of k. 2 to the power k should be more than the number of observation. We just check 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. Here the data is 20. It's more than 2. So 2 to the power 2, it's 4. 2 to the power 3, it's 8. 2 to the power 4, it's 16. It's a 16. 2 to the power 5, it's a 32. So now 32 is more than 20. So finally we can say k is equal to 5. So k is equal to 5. Again I am explaining you why we have to choose k is equal to 5. Here we have to check 2 to the power k is just more than n. If we take k is equal to 1, it's 2, it's very less than 20. If we take 2, it's a 4, it's very less than 20. 2 is equal to 2 power 3, it's 8, it is also less than 20. 2 to the power 4, it's also less than 20. But 2 to the power 5 is just more than 20. So we have to choose k is 5. Right? Okay? K is 5, it means how many classes will be there. So there are 5 different classes because k is 5. Now we have found the k is 5. The next question is, what class interval would you suggest? Means class interval. Class interval means in particular class what will be the interval. So it will be same for all classes. So in order to check this, we have to check what is the highest value here. So highest value in this table. So the first already we decided k is equal to for part B. Highest value. Check. The highest value is 98. Highest value is 98. Lowest value. What is the lowest value? Lowest value. This is the lowest value. So L is 51. L is lowest value, H means highest value. K, we already found the K. So interval, class interval I is equal to 98 minus 51 divided by 5. So it is I should be more than or equal to this value. I should be more than or equal to this value. So it is 9.4. 9.4. 9.4 is not an integer value. It's not a natural number. So we have to take the next one. Means we have to choose the I is equal to 10. 10 is the next number of 9.5. So it become easy for you. So you can take I is equal to 10. So now we have decided 5 number of class interval. Each interval class interval and each classes 5 is number of classes. Each classes having interval of 10. Right? The third point, what lower limit would you suggest for the first class? So the first, this is the 51, the lowest value. You just take 50 as the least value. So 50. You can choose the classes like that. Because you already decided, right? So you can choose like that. Here the 51 is least, so you can take the 50 to 60. Then second 60 to 70, then 70 to 80, then 80 to 90, then 90 to 100, like that. Here, the all values will included in these classes. Now, another question. Here, 51 is the least, not 50. It means here the all values is more than 50, but equal to 60 should be included here. Here, all values more than 60, but equal to up to equal to 70. Yeah. Same for the all. Let's make the frequency table. Class interval, frequency, relative frequency, relative frequency. The first class interval 50 to 60. 60 to 70. The second one 70 to 80. Third one 80 to 90. And 90 to 100. So first we have to check how many is value between 50 to 60, more than 50 but up to 60. So here you check 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the value here should be 4. This we already included. The next, how many values are more than 60 but up to 70? So more than 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. The next 70 to 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5. 80 to 90. 1, 2, already it's 6. 1, 2. This already included here. So 80 to 90. 1, 2. 2. 90 to 100. 1 and 2. So the total is 20, 20. Verify. So this is the way. Relative frequency. Relative frequency, each frequency is divided by the total. So 4 divided by 20. 6 divided by 20. 6 divided by 20. 2 divided by 20. And 2 divided by 20. So this is 0.2. This is 0.3, 0.3, 0.1 and 0.1. The total of relative frequency should be 1. Here the total is 1. So this is the way to change raw data in frequency table. Relative frequency we may use to find some probabilistic problems. Here, this is most important: class interval and frequency. This is the first. So we have to